In today's quick and short tutorial, we'll show you how to fix YouTube keeps lagging on your Android phone. So if you're trying to watch videos on YouTube and it keeps lagging, or even freezing, we'll show you how to resolve the issue. So the first step is to open up your phone settings and scroll down to where it says Software Update. As you can see, my phone is up to date, but if yours has any updates available, make sure you install them before proceeding to the next step. Now head back to your phone settings and click on Apps to open up your apps list. Once in the apps list, you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom to find your YouTube app. Click on the app and hit force stop. Now click on Storage Usage and make sure you delete data and clear the cache. The final step is to restart your phone. Hold down the power button and swipe up to restart. When your phone comes back on, YouTube should play videos without any lagging.